and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be hopping into spring as we create the most extra special Easter cake. So get ready to embark on a sweet journey filled with whimsical designs, vibrant colors and a sprinkle-filled surprise that will make you feel like a kid again. Our journey begins with 3 colorful cake sponges, pink, purple and white, which are already baked. Using a circle cutter, we'll carefully remove the centers, creating the perfect canvas for our masterpiece. Bring your RFAQK cake turntable. Place a cake board and spread some buttercream on it. Stack the colored sponge layers to create a beautiful ombre effect. But wait, there's more! Before adding the top layer, fill the center with a rainbow of Easter-themed sprinkles, ensuring a burst of color and crunch with every bite. Bring your prepared piping bags and it's time to dress our cake in its finest attire. Crumb coat the entire cake with rich white buttercream. After that, place the cake in the chiller for 15 to 20 minutes. Then using an icing comb, create a stunning pattern for our upcoming decorations. Our vibrant yellow and blue buttercream are ready to create a charming contrast. Then chill it again. Take out your scrapers to smooth out the sides for a neat look. Then put it aside. Melt dark chocolate and transfer it into a piping bag. No Easter cake is complete without a nest. Prepare a round mold and wrap it with aluminium foil. Then drizzle the hot chocolate into the cold water. Once the pattern sets, carefully lift it out using a fork and place it onto the round mold. Now gently remove once it sets and arrange colorful Easter eggs inside. Using RFAQK tip number 15G, we'll pipe vibrant green grass around the cake. Time to bring out RFAQK's multiple Russian and icing tips for some serious decorating magic. We'll create artistic designs that will make your cake the centerpiece of any Easter celebration. Finally, place the chocolate nest on top of the cake to create a truly extraordinary masterpiece. Now it's time to slice the cake and watch the fun unfolds as the sprinkles pour out with each cut. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out any of our recipes.